I made this Amazon affiliate store in just one click. And it adds 5 million plus products automatically. 100% AI-driven automated Amazon affiliate store. No more wasting hours setting up complicated stores with Shopify. No recurring costing for domain and hosting. Preloaded with 5 million top best-selling Amazon products in various niches. So you can start selling instantly in the next 5 minutes. You will find the link below to get started. This AI will cost only one time $16. No monthly recurring fees. You will find the link in description. Visit with the link and purchase it. It have 30 days money back guarantee. You will get credential to your email. You will need to log into your dashboard first. You will see a menu bar at right side. From Store Management section, click on Create Site button to create your own Amazon affiliate store. Select any subdomain you want and then select niches you want. AI will add products to your shop according to your selected categories. And select All button for selecting relevant categories. Write a short description and click on Submit button will build your store and add relevant products according your selected niches. Within few minutes you will find your Amazon affiliate store is ready with thousands of products. Here's our store with thousands of products are ready to sell online. Now let's see in deeply how our Amazon affiliate store is looking like. I will show more customization from dashboard options after showing this Amazon affiliate store that I have just created with AI automatically. Stay connected. I will give you a promo code for discount at the end of this video. And if my video helps you, please don't forget to subscribe. This is fully AI-driven automated Amazon affiliate store. As AI-powered app creates your profit-pulling Amazon affiliate store in just 60 seconds. No more wasting hours setting up complicated stores with Shopify or other store builder. Now cancel all your expensive affiliate Amazon store subscription and use our AI-powered app to create stunning best-selling affiliate stores without any tech skills or experience. No monthly recurring fees and it's totally newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard as you saw. There is no hidden fees or any extra expenses. Fully SEO-friendly mobile phone optimized website is ready to promote for start your affiliate marketing to start earning money online with multiple language supported. We can update our store anytime from the dashboard. You can add or remove any categories anytime you want, adding or removing any niches. You can add your required store information as well as metadata from setting button. You will able to add your Facebook pixel, Google ad tracking code, or even any live chat or any third-party script etc. as well as your WhatsApp number. Slider background image, logo, favicon etc. Make sure you add your Amazon affiliate ID to get commission per sale. You will also able to add your custom domain if you wish. You will also able to share your store from this dashboard. If you have any confusion or any question, you can ask on comment section. I will try to reply every comment one by one. This AI have advanced image editor where you can edit your required social media post design or however you want. Let's have a look of this image editor. You can use pre-built templates for editing purpose. There are almost all features that should have an editing tool. I hope you will not disappointed. I am not explaining all of this. This is very user-friendly. I hope you will able to use it easily. And will able to download high-quality images. Next feature is AI content. You can write unlimited content ideas with this feature. Write keyword or topic, select language and then select the number of variations you want and click Generate button will generate content ideas immediately. And next feature is AI graphics. AI graphics feature is for generating stunning AI images in seconds as you see. Next great marketing feature is auto blog writing for your store. You can automatically create blog with only inputting only keywords. Till now, if you find this video helpful, please thumbs up. From left menu click on blog, create blog section, blog automation feature, and manage blogs. If you have any question you can always ask me on comment. I will try to reply all comments one by one. You can also add banners to your shop as your requirement and many more features you will reveal after purchasing this awesome software for creating your Amazon affiliate store with AI in less than 1 minute. There is 30-day money-back guarantee. So don't worry. I recommend you to try it from below link in description. And here is $3 instant discount code for you. Just use AISTOORE to get this within $13 without any recurring fee. I have just introduced this awesome AI with you, because I believe it will help you to make your own Amazon store to join an Amazon industry within minutes, and you will able to start promoting your affiliate shop immediately to start earning huge money from right today by doing a little effort by affiliate marketing. And let's see some earning proof from Amazon Associate Program with this AI tool. So without any hesitation, this AI today has 30 days money back guarantee. So why worry? Make your Amazon affiliate store today because the market size of Amazon industry stands at a huge $1.96 trillion globally. With over 274 million online shoppers in the USA in 2024, spending an average over $5,000 per person. So 2025 is best time to grab your own share from the Amazon industry. Thank you for watching. If my video helps, like, comment, share and subscribe.